Hey Tube, we're doing Rolling Thunder, Coastal Fever, and their song is called Falling Thunder. So we got a double thunder mention in this. It's in the name and it's in the song. The song starts out F, D minor, C. Now, you could play that with power chords probably if you wanted to. The D is a minor. You're going to play the full chord. The F and the C are majors. That tells us something about the key. You could have played it in the open position too. You got to go F, D minor, C. It's a little quick, but anyways, I prefer how it sounds playing bar chords. That's the first part. Okay, that's the verse too. F, D minor, C. And then it goes into the chorus. Is it any wonder? By the way, the rhythm for this song is kind of like a gallop. Okay, it's not even. It's like. Okay, and it changes through different parts of the song. It's not a simple beat. Like a knife against you. That's the chorus. Starts out on G, goes to our D minor, then goes to F, it ends on C. Okay, actually G is the new one. When we go into the chorus, we go to G. That's the first time we hear it in the song. G, D minor, F, C. G, do, 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 do. Now they're like Leonard Skinner. This group has a 3 guitar attack, so take your pick. All right, the third part of the song comes when they go through the verse and the chorus again. Then they go, we're changing through the season. G to D minor is the third section. I would just call it the transition maybe, or the bridge. You can call it section 3 if you want. Now, after we go, changing like the season, changing. We go into the chorus again. I wonder what all my eyes said. This is I think the final chorus, because after they go through that, then they go. Go F to C, just like they went G to D minor. Now, this time at the end of that chorus, they go F, C, and they do like a little outro. Okay, so and then the outro is D minor, F, G. Finally, let me just go over the chords for those of you who aren't familiar with the bar chords as much as the open chords. D minor is played on the 5th fret. It's got a 5th string root. Okay, and then we have the middle finger on the B at the 6th, and then we have ring and pinky on the D and A at the 7th. You play the top 5 strings. That's fret 5. C, we're going to play at the 3rd fret. You play index on the A string, the third, and then 5-5-5 on the fifth. G and F are played the same with the same fingering. F is at the first fret. We play low E with our index. G with our middle, and then we play the D and A strings on the third fret, and then we just slide that up for the G. Okay, but that's the those are the chords in the song. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.